We can see the brand new laser module. It's not a full power from any disassembled machine. It's very beautiful. We made a laser toy using this brand new pump source module. Laser. The overall shell is an oxidized black aluminum alloy shell. The design is extremely rugged and robust, 2.0 rails on the side, and 3 adjustable heat dissipation fans on the top, which are powerful fans. This is an external power bank I added. On the back, there is an adjustable pulse switch, which can set the emission frequency of the laser. On the side, the adjustment knob for the fan's heat dissipation. Pulse switch. Pulse switching switch. Green light control. This one is blocked. This is our laser emission key. The handle is a carbon fiber 3D printed launch key. Voltage display. At the bottom is a Makita power outlet. To drive this 750 watt Benpu source. Power supply specifications 37.92 volts, 39.6A. Power supply specifications 37.92 volts, 39, 6 a 28 cell 21,700 lithium battery power pack. The whole is an aluminum alloy shell with 2 heat sinks, charging port and power button. The current socket. The safety switch starts. It will definitely be equipped with our remote control. This is a digital camera. It has 20 times zoom and 32 times hybrid zoom. Connect your phone for observation. And a new laser lens. It can control large-scale adjustment by pushing and pulling, and the front end rotates for fine adjustment. Plug in the charger.
Big step, I don't do false. New chain swing, same old law. If I want it, then I take it off. Cold face, hot blood. You talk tough, but it won't budge. My name ring loud in the mud. I came up, now I'm all nuts. Got it fast, don't blink. Hit that floor, start to sink. One more step, hope it's lean. I was built for the mean. Belt buckle. I don't fold.
Turn on the switch completely. Press and hold the power button. Then press this switch. Power supply unit, green light and fan. Transmit mode knob. Make a choice and keep launching. Postal code pulse emission. Red indicates the body temperature. Blue indicates the temperature control protection threshold. The above line indicates the cycle frequency. The next line indicates the space allocation, which is the ratio of on or off in percentages. Currently set to 8 cycles per second, with each cycle consisting of 50% on and 50% off.
我们在机身尝试安装这样一个20厘米的定焦镜头，看一下它的效果。
Find the camera's name in the WLAN connection options under the phone settings. Adjust the lens by referencing the visible coaxial light spot.